So today, yeah, we're ready, good to go now. Today I'm gonna create a tutorial on how you can create a virtual environment for Django on your computer. Um, there's a reason why I'm doing this, and that reason is because I was following Code with Moshe's tutorial, but they use a Mac OS, so some of the commands that they were running was not working on my computer, and then I had to like go through a lot of reading through Stack Overflow and other websites. So I just thought of making a video and yeah, just like documenting my exploration so far. um, this tutorial assumes that you have installed Visual Studio Code, you have the latest version of Python, and you have installed Python as an extension to your as an interpreter to your Visual Studio Code the way you do. I'll quickly show how you do the final thing, which is like the interpreter thing, and that is you go to extensions. There you write Python 3. Um, let's quickly check which one it was. Or maybe just Python. I'm not sure whether it was Python or Python. Yeah, so you just install this one and then you should be good to go. So this is just continuing from this installation point. To begin, we start with this function that is Python 3 because there's two versions of Python, Python 2 and Python 3. We are using Python 3. M pip and install Django. Sorry, I can't type. This installs Django to your virtual environment, and we need to do this. Just checking if. Oh, okay. Sorry. First, sorry. First we need to. I need to get out of this directory, and then check my present working directory. Seems good to me. Now I get the directory that I wanna create a new folder in and make sure that all the backslashes are converted into forward slashes. Um, right, and then I make sorry, that was an announcement because I'm in the library. So now I make a new folder. Could be, I don't know, I've got like so many Django folders now, but demo maybe. And then we go into the demo repository folder, um, then check what's inside the demo folder. There should be, oops, sorry. Oh, I think that was right, to be honest. Um, let me check. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Sorry, my bad. So, so LS actually checks what's inside the folder. Currently, our demo folder is empty. So now we just go ahead with installing Django to our folder. We're like creating a virtual environment, so it's important to do this every single time that we are installing that. So Django, perfect. Will take a while to install. So it first creates a virtual environment. We need to do this every time, and I think it's looking good because pipfile.lock is getting installed. Sometimes it just takes a while, so not too long to be honest. And now we look into the folder. We've got two files, webfile and webfile.log. It is important that we have both of these folders after installing Django to our virtual environment. And if this doesn't happen, then what you could do is you could see if webfile and webfile.log have been created outside of the folder that we are currently working in. So that would be C. Okay, so I'll quickly show where that could be. So this PC, go to C drive, username, and then like it should be in one of the later folders. And then you like delete the bib file folder files from there and redo this process, ensuring that you're in the right directory. This has happened to me, and this was the solution that I worked with, and it worked pretty well. So yeah, if you hopefully there's no issue, but if there is, then this could be a possible solution. And now we like open the virtual environment. We do that by doing code and then dot. This is our new um, environment. So we just get the terminal by pressing Control Shift and backtick. Then we move on to the next code, that is Python 3 pip environment shell. Sorry, shell. I'm not sure. Like I think this creates a subshell, but I'm not sure exactly what the function is. But whatever. The subshell has been created in the virtual environment. I think this is because you wanna probably. No, I'm not sure. So I'll probably do a bit of research, and then we look into Django admin. So Django is the whole like the web development framework that we are working with, and admin is the set of instructions that you can use while you're in Django. We are gonna use start project. So Django start, sorry, Django admin start project. Store the name of our folder is demo, and then we have a dot so that an additional directory is not created. So if we do not have the dot, then it would be demo and then a demo inside, and then inside that would be these. So it's like unnecessary. After that, we have this manage.py folder, which let's see what it has. It just has a bit of code that I do not fully understand, but let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. The manage.py is a wrapper for Django.admin, so it's preferable that we use manage.py henceforth and not Django.admin. And how that works is we would want to go Python manage, manage.py, and then go run server. Oh, yeah, run, that was a typo. That's the same as the other one. Where was the other one? I'm not sure, but we can have a look at our development server now, and this was one of the exciting parts for me. So I hope when you click on the link, you'll get excited too. It's just this, the install worked successfully. Congratulations. So we are like one stage in order to let's keep going. And how we do that, I think this wasn't the one. I've got way too many folders now. Okay, and then we just continue by first we need to get out of the URL thingy, so we go Control plus C. Next, I'll just do a Control L to clear my screen, and now I'll make an environment. I do that by going py m venv env. Maybe okay. So I just go yes, and then I made a virtual. Okay, we're just gonna wait a bit. Yeah. We've got the end folder. Now, uh, now let me show you something. That's when I hit Control Shift B, I try to select the interpreter. The reason why I select the interpreter is because I do not want the general Python interpreter that is located at this location to work, but instead I want the interpreter at the demo virtual environment to run. The reason is because if I want Django to run, obviously I would want the Django interpreter also to work, like the interpreter to also interpret Django. That's my assumption. And how do you get that? I wasn't able to figure out how to do it using code, so we'll just go the hardcore way, and that is go to again this PC, go to C users, your username, and then go to virtual environments. So that's this one dot virtual envs, and then copy, and then we need the demo file. So we just copy that and put that in here, and make sure that the backslashes are made front. Over slashes. So it's just annoying. I don't know why I have to do this every single time. But then go scripts. If you were using a Mac, then it would be bin for you. But in Windows, it's scripts. And then just go to Python. Oh, okay. I forgot to copy the previous repository, and now I need to do it all over again. So make sure you have the paths copied before you hit enter. Scripts, and then perfect. So we just close our terminal now. Actually, make sure to kill this. And we've got our new terminal here. So as we can see here, demo. So the virtual environment has been activated, which is great. Again, to run the server, we just go to Python 3 and manage run server. I think I did something wrong. Can import. I'm not sure what's happening, but we'll have a look. Yeah, that's perfect. Sometimes you just need to go between Python and Python 3. I'm not sure why. But yeah, if there's an issue, like it's working again now, so that's great. And then we just like break the server, which is by go hitting Control and C. And then I think we should be good with stuff. This is the installation, and I hope you found it useful. I might make more shorter videos, but for now, this is it. Thank you. I will also have a blog on this, and the link will be in the description, just in case you wanted some real quick text instructions and don't want to go through this video, because I understand. Yeah, thank you for watching. If there's something else you'd like me to do, I'm no expert, but I'd love to give it a shot.